Quick challenge. Can you beat 12 or 15 in injection molding? Let's go. Injection molding MCQs, 15 questions. 1. Which factor most commonly causes a short in injection molding? A. High mold temperature. B. Low injection pressure. C. High screw RPM. D. Large gauge size. Correct answer B. Low injection pressure. 2. A part shows burn marks near the end of peel. What is the likely cause? A. Slow injection speed. B. Moisture in material. C. Poor venting or trapped air. D. Low mold temperature. Correct answer C. Poor venting or trapped air. 3. Sink marks are usually found in areas with A. Thin walls. B. Thick sections or ribs. C. Low melt temperature. D. Excess ejector force. Correct answer B. Thick sections or ribs. 4. Increasing holding packing pressure helps to A. Reduce melt temperature. B. Reduce part shrinkage. C. Increase warpage. D. Decrease mold surface finish. Correct answer B. Reduce part shrinkage. 5. Which parameter most affects the cycle time? A. Injection pressure. B. Cooling time. C. Mold closing time. D. Back pressure. Correct answer B. Cooling time. 6. Flash on the part is often caused by A. Low screw speed. B. Low clamp force. C. Too much cooling. D. Large runner diameter. Correct answer B. Low clamp force. 7. Which of the following improves weld line strength? A. Lower mold temperature. B. Higher injection speed. C. Lower injection pressure. D. Using a smaller gate. Correct answer B. Higher injection speed. 8. Jetting occurs due to A. Slow injection. B. Gate too small plus high speed. C. Excessive back pressure. D. Uneven cooling. Correct answer B. Gate too small plus high speed. 9. What happens if material is not dried properly before molding? A. Short shot. B. Warpage. C. Splay silver streaks. D. Flash. Correct answer C. Splay silver streaks. 10. A high melt temperature generally results in A. High viscosity. B. Low viscosity and easier flow. C. Stronger weld lines. D. More voids. Correct answer B. Low viscosity and easier flow. 11. Uneven cooling in mold cavities leads to A. Gloss issues. B. Burn marks. C. Warpage. D. Jetting. Correct answer C. Warpage. 12. High back pressure during plastication improves A. Part cooling. B. Melt mixing and color dispersion. C. Gate freezing. D. Flash formation. Correct answer B. Melt mixing and color dispersion. 13. A very long runner length mainly causes A. Lower pressure loss. B. More injection pressure required. C. Reduced cycle time. D. Strong weld lines. Correct answer B. More injection pressure required. 14. Viscosity of molten plastic is influenced most by A. Ejector pin force. B. Nozzle design. C. Melt temperature and shear rate. D. Clamp tonnage. Correct answer C. Melt temperature and shear rate. 15. A part sticks to the mold cavity, hard to eject. The best fix is A. On increase mold temperature. B. Reduce cooling time. C. Add draft angle or increase it. D. Increase back pressure. Correct answer C. Add draft angle or increase it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.